Good morning from Stockholm Arlanda Airport. I just arrived from my night in the Jumbo Hostel. It was a really awesome stay and you can check out this video also, it's online already. Today I want to fly here from Stockholm to New York City John F. Kennedy Airport on board of Finnair's Airbus A330 in their Premium Economy. I'm really excited, it's my first time with Finnair. And Finnair is located here in Terminal 5. I'm now at the bus station, so I have to search Terminal 5 now and then let's go to New York. Arrived at Terminal 5 and now I wait for my check-in counter to open. Finnair sent me an email yesterday evening that you have to be early at the airport because of the chaotic security checks during the last weeks. Maybe you ask yourself why Finnair operates some direct flights here from Stockholm to the United States. It's not their main hub Helsinki. That's because Finnair want to take foot here on the Swedish market, and flights over the Atlantic to the United States are the most profitable. That's why Finnair based here in Stockholm some Airbus A330s for their flights to New York City and some A350s for their flights to Los Angeles. Wow, the security check here at Arlanda Airport was so quick and easy. You can't complain it with other airports in Europe at the moment, and it was so nice to see that they're offering a fast lane because normally all fast lanes are closed at the moment. They still don't have enough staff for it. If you ask yourself now, or if you want to know why I can use priority check-in and fast lanes as a premium economy passenger, that's why with this flight I'm already Finnair Gold-Member. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, one flight or I never flew with Finnair and now I'm already a Gold member. This flight is part of a match from Lufthansa's Miles&More Senator or Starline's Gold to Finnair Gold and One World Sapphire. I am now a One World Sapphire member and I can use all the features like priority check-in, priority boarding, fast lanes, more carry-on luggage and the most important things, lounges. Here at Arlanda Stockholm Airport is One World Lounge. It's located next to gate C1 and that's what I want to check out now. I'm now inside the lounge and I have to say it's really small and much too crowded. It's also a priority pass lounge, so I just fill out my health declaration form now. Maybe I eat a little bit and then I will go out of this lounge again. I really don't like it. It looks like a sunny and rainy day, but one nice thing here in Stockholm is that you have nearly everywhere a beautiful view over the whole apron. My plan for the flight today will be an Airbus A330, which was delivered to Finnair in April 2010. That means 12 years old for now. This plane consists of 3-class configuration. Business class in the first 10 rows, then follows the Premium Economy class in 5 rows with a 2-for-2 configuration. That's where I sit today, and all of the rest is economy class. I'm really excited about the cabin, but now I have to pass the immigration and then I hope the boarding will start soon. Here I am on board Finnair's Airbus A330 and their Premium Economy, and that's why I really love the priority boarding. I am here on board the first one, and now I can show you the empty cabin, I can show you the seat functions, because I'm not really sure if the seat here next to me stays free or not. We will see it. And this cabin is a little bit different like I thought. The Premium Economy has only 3 rows in a 2-3-2 configuration. I don't know why, but these seats look so great and amazing. I'm really impressed by it, but more about it I tell you later. The seat here in the Premium Economy class looks so comfortable. Right behind me you see the adjustable headrest. Here on the left hand side I have my table located. Also you find there's some power outlets. One more USB charger is right under the camera. Also you find there the seat controls. Nobody behind me, so let's take a look at the reclaim. Oh wow, that's great. Yeah, what more we have in front of me, where the camera is located now, I take you. That's really great. I never saw a Premium Economy seat with so many storage compartments. Wait a second, I show you now how huge it is. You can store there so many things, that's amazing. The boarding is still in progress, and I take this time to show you a little bit around. During boarding there are already some amenities here at my seat. We get a little Amenity Kit, some headphones. They look really nice and they are heavy. I'm excited how they are. We have a blanket, and now something I never saw before. This is the pillow. I don't know, it looks like you can buy it at the airport, but not like something you get inside the plane. We will see later if it's comfortable or not. Something I noticed just now is that the cabins are separated. There are walls and curtains between business class and premium economy class. That's normal, that's nearly on every airline like this. But also boarding completed. That's really great because I have no seat neighbor. Whoa, I'm the lucky one today. Okay, but also there are curtains and walls between premium economy and economy class, and that's really rare. Not many airlines offering this, and it's really great. So for this cabin, thumbs up.
Economy class. Fasten your safety belt by inserting the metal end into the buckle, like this, and adjust the strap so that it's tight across your lap.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the
On the ground in Stockholm we got no welcome drink today, but here in the air the service started very soon with a hot towel. I like every time to get a hot towel inside an airplane. It's such a great feeling. And it followed really quickly with some roasted peanuts, and for me today a cold Finnish beer. I like to try new kinds of beer. I never tried this one, but now, cheers! Oh yeah, and that's a good one. Wow, look at this amazing landscape. That's why I love day flights. I can look the whole time out of the window. And there is the meal for our flight already. I don't know exactly what everything is because we got no menu card, but it looks a little bit like a small starter. Then I got the veal. You had the choice between veal or fish. It looks like veal with carrots and some other vegetables, a small bun, and maybe this is the only dessert, chocolate. It's not the biggest portion, but let's give it a try. Wow, this veal together with the sauce is really delicious. I just finished my meal and the veal was so tasty, it was amazing. I'm not really sure if we get some more food later, but I think yes, the flight time is about 8 hours and mostly you get a bigger meal after the takeoff and then a little snack before landing in New York, but I'm not 100% sure, but I think yes. Now it's time to take a look inside the Amenity Kit, or Finnair call it the travel kit. The pouch of it looked really great. I like the colors. Normally Amenity kits in Premium Economy are really basic, but hey, it's better than nothing, so let's take a look inside. Okay, I think, yeah, there is more than on other airlines. The first thing is this one here. We have a lip care and facial cream. It looks like this, and I have to say, even not in every business class Amenity kit you have these creams. So first thing, good job. But let's look more. Then in the same design, the eye mask. A toothbrush and toothpaste. And the most important thing, some earplugs. Yeah, that's it. The pouch is empty. Like I said before, a pretty simple or pretty basic Amenity kit, but it's not bad. The only thing that I'm missing, normally you have some socks inside, but okay. Now I know it. On-demand amenities. It looks like you get some mouthwash, socks, a comb and a shaver if you want it, and you can ask the cabin crew. That's it. This A330 is equipped with Wi-Fi. To use it, simply connect to Nordic Sky, then you have to open your browser and type in wifi.finnair.com, and then you see this. Here you can buy some internet passes. The cheapest one is 1 hour for 8 euros, 3 hours for 15 euros, and the whole flight for 25 euros. If I compare them to other airlines, that's a little bit expensive. On Lufthansa flights you can buy messaging function the whole flight for only 7 euros, and here, yeah, it is expensive. But for gold members like I am now, there is 1 hour internet connection for free. I will try it now. They just want to know the seat number 22L today, and my last name. And now let's try to connect. It works. I have Wi-Fi now. That's nice. 1 hour free or complimentary Wi-Fi is amazing, but everything else is too expensive. Wow, I'm impressed by Finnair. I mean, look at this lavatory. There is one lavatory between the business and the premium economy class, and this one is only for the premium economy class. That's amazing. Normally you have to share the lavatories together with the economy class, and here you have an own lavatory, and look how huge it is. That's crazy. I mean, the same like before, even in business class, sometimes you don't have so huge lavatories. I don't know what I have to say. There are not really too many amenities. Here's only some hand cream and some body wash, but that's it. We have a little window with an engine view, so if you sit on the toilet you can look right on the engine. That's crazy, but so nice. Wow, I'm sure now Finnair is one of my favorite airlines. One good thing during day flights is that you have a lot of time. The first service is done, and now it's time to maybe look some good movies on the Inflight Entertainment, or you can catch some sleep, whatever you want. I want to work a little bit on my Prague travel vlog, so if you see this video now, the Prague vlog is online already. You can check it out, and when you see the Prague vlog, you know I worked during this Finnair flight on it. Yeah, that's it for now. I will see you later during the second service or before our approach into New York. The remaining flight time to New York is now 1 hour and 15 minutes, and there we have our second meal, the little snack before landing. Today we get pastry with some vegetables and a lemon flavored muffin. Not too much, but let's give it a try. Yeah, it's tasty, but I'm sure this is the same box like the people in economy class get also. It's time to talk a little bit about the Inflight Entertainment here on board. Finnair provides these headphones, and can you see it? They say with noise cancellation. I can't believe it. Really, they have noise cancellation. I mean, we sit now in Premium Economy and these headphones are better than some business class headphones. That's crazy. Right in front of you, or right in front of me where the camera is located, is the touchscreen, and it looks like that there is no controller, or maybe I'm too stupid, but really I see no controller. I think there is no one. So you can use only the touchscreen, but it looks really sensitive. The Inflight Entertainment have some movies. Wow, a lot of movies. The most of them are in English, and oh yeah, I know what I look later. Also some TV series, music, and oh, there are flight cameras. Look at this. I'm so stupid. Normally I like flight cameras, but I really didn't saw it before. With flight cameras you can see the takeoff and landing with other views. That's really amazing. Also you have the flight map with some informations about the flight, the height, where you are, the speed, everything like this. And some in-flight shopping. Okay, I don't need it. Some informations about the Wi-Fi on board. So all in all, I would say it's a really great in-flight entertainment. Unfortunately, it looks like that this flight comes to an end. We are now right over Portland and the remaining flight time is about 40 minutes. We will start our descent into New York very soon, and now enjoy the views out of the window. I will see you on the ground in New York with my summary of this flight.
Light's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Finally, New York City, here I am. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here after the long time of COVID. This is my really first visit inside the city since 2019. And today is a great day also because the immigration was so quick. It took me only about 25 minutes. Normally you have to wait there 1 hour or 2 hours. So that's awesome. Yeah, I wait now for my metro into the city, and let's talk a little bit about Finnair. The flight with Finnair was really great. The cabin, I mean, it looks so modern. The seats are comfortable. You have an own lavatory for the Premium Economy class. That's awesome. Also, the crew was so friendly. They had a big smile on their face every time. I never had an empty glass, so all in all a perfect flight, and I think maybe I have a new favorite airline, who knows? And I can say you now already, this will definitely not my last flight with Finnair. Oh my god, I think too much now. I'm happy, okay, that's it. I want to go inside the city, so thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. If you like it, you can subscribe my channel. And I think the vlogs about Washington and New York City, all USA vlogs, are online already when you see this video. So, bye bye and see you next time.